see me in the crowd.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Petra, and today I'm going to be doing another blast from the past video. I'm going to try and get a couple more videos up before I leave here. If you don't know what I'm talking about when I say leave, you can watch my video here that is talking about me. I'm going to Spain, leaving, blah blah. It's all up in this video if you want to see that and why I haven't been around in a while. So I'm going to try and get a couple more videos done. This one, I haven't done a blast from the past in a while, so that's what this video is going to be about today. It's also going to be kind of blast from the past, but then inspired by the Euphoria makeup, because if you haven't seen that series then, or heard about that series on HBO, then you're probably under a rock, which I think I was until I found out about this. And it's kind of a dark series, teenagers, social media, drugs, sex, all that, but then it is like so good. And the amazing thing is the makeup is incredible. I think Donnie.Davy is the Instagram handle for the makeup artist, for like the head makeup artist, and incredible, very cool stuff. I really hope this inspires like everyone, not just teenagers, but everyone to embrace bold and colorful and getting creative with makeup, because that's kind of something I love. And when I saw this series, I literally binge watched it in like a day and a half because it was so good, and I couldn't stop looking at all the makeup that was in there too. It was so great. So anyways, without me blabbing any further, let's go ahead and get into the video. I'm going to be doing my makeup look on the Zulu by Juvia's Place. It always looks cool when you flip it up. There's no mirror, but the price you pay for these is great. So this is the very bright palette, which I thought would be great for this Euphoria look that I am going to be doing. The colors aren't going to be exact, but I'll show you the photo that I am taking inspiration from. It's Jules, of course, because Jules is literally my favorite, I believe, on there, especially with the makeup. Yeah, so here is the look I'm going to kind of try and mimic today. It's looking a little bit different on camera, but whatever. You kind of get the idea of what it looks like. Okay, so I've zoomed you guys in here. So first I'm going to go into the orange shade. These don't have names, and I may mix it with the pink, the bright pink, because I want it to be pretty like bright, and I'm not sure how bright the orange. Oh my god, I forget how pigmented these are. Go in with this, and everything's already primed and prepped. Oh, I have like pink on my hand there. I must have, from touching the palette or something, the pink. I'm just kind of tapping the shadow on so I can get like the most payoff with the shade. Okay, so I forgot to hit record, so this is where I'm at now. I'm just trying to do my best with getting this down as nicely as I can and kind of drawing it in there, but see, there's already some like fallout coming down here. I'm gonna blend with the Sigma E45 brush. And then I'm going to go in with the bright orange shade right there, and I am going to take that kind of here in the middle. I think that shade that she has on is kind of a bright neon pinkish orange, and so just to add a little bit more orange to this, I'm going to add some orange because I don't have a shade like that. And I think it does kind of make this look a little more, it gives it more of that little bit of neon kind of look. Don't mind this over here. I'm going to have to take some concealer to that later because these kind of are a little fallouty. I don't know if they're getting old, but they're kind of, I don't know. These shades are not performing like I remember them performing before. And I'm going to take this Linda Hallberg brush again and kind of sketch a line. So it looks like she has kind of a lightish pink shade right there in between both of the bright orangish pink and the green. So I'm going to try and go in with this shade. It's shimmery, it's not matte, but I'm going to go in with this pink shade here, and we'll just add a little bit of shimmer, which I go in with my finger with this shade. And I'm just kind of taking that almost to the outer edge. I'm going to go in with that bright green shade. So this one is a shimmery green shade, but I think it'll work for what I'm trying to accomplish here. So with this, I'm just going to kind of sketch out and draw how I want the green to look first, because it's winged out. And then it kind of blends into this orangish, pinkish eyeshadow. I'm gonna go with that same green shade. I'm gonna take it underneath here in the inner corner is where she has it as well. But I'm gonna go in and kind of clean this up and this, and then make these a little more cleaned up as well. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna go clean this up a little bit and then I'll be back and show you the look. Alright, you guys, so I didn't hit record, so again, I'm such a space cadet sometimes. So I went in with a blush and a lip gloss, and then I just kind of curled my eyelashes a little bit. And then I did clean up kind of in here and on the outer edges to make things look a little bit more seamless, because it was kind of, I don't know, when you work with color and pigments, it can get all over, and I did my face before, so you know that drama. Anyway, so let me zoom out here real quick. Okay, so the blush that I have on my cheeks is from the Becca Chrissy Teagan palette, which is also kind of a blast from the past, but I went in with this shade here. This is Hibiscus Bloom, and it's kind of a bright peach pink. I don't know, goes with this look okay. Jules doesn't have a lot of blush on in the photo, so I kind of tried to keep it a little light. And then she doesn't have anything on her lips, but I wanted something on my lips at least, so I went in with a gloss. I went in with the Pat McGrath Pale Fire Nectar. This is one of the Lust glosses, and it's one of the smaller little, like, sample size, I guess. I just went in with that to have a little bit of sheen on the lips, and then I curled my eyelashes. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this look. My recreation, my blast from the past, using the Juvia's Place Zulu palette, and then inspired by the Euphoria series on HBO, which definitely needs some more originality out there. Get so tired of the browns and the borings and the earth tones and blah blah blah. It's like color is always so fun to add to life. So, and I love how I feel like it's inspired everyone of all ages, not just teens. You guys, thank you so much once again for showing up and watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like or thumbs up my videos if you like them. Leave a comment below, and I will hopefully see you guys in another video soon. Bye! Maybe not wish anymore. Maybe this is just how I'm gonna start wearing my makeup every day. Like this.
One bite, you should see me in the crowd.